Hello and welcome to Dollhouse. It appears that my house is spending a lot of time upside down. The reason for that is that I have been working on the ceilings. I just finished the one in the dining room, and today I will be working on finishing the ceiling in the living room. These are the materials that I will need for this project: a flat bristle brush, acrylic gold color paint, a couple of stencils, and just any container to pour your paint in. And of course I will need water to be wiping off the stencils in between painting. I can see that the paint needs to be mixed. It has been sitting in the container for quite a while and it has dark spots, and when other spots are more golden, so I have to mix it very well before applying it onto the ceiling. This is the stencil that I will use for all four corners. I have covered up with masking tape so that I don't get any paint where I don't want it to be. I have used 3 different stencils and 1 more for the corners, and I think that'll be it. The ceiling has come a long way. This is how it was once upon a time, completely unfinished. We took this room as inspiration, and the first step was to paint it all in the color of eggshell and covered it completely. After that, we added the focal point in the center, the ceiling medallion, and then the crown molding. And today we finished it with all the embellishments around, and I am satisfied with the way it looks. It wasn't a precision paint job, but I like it, and I hope you guys liked it too. Thank you so much for watching.